Welcome to the official AI Hustle Club, where AI meets ambition and turns it into action. We don't hustle harder, we hustle smarter. Imagine making money while you sleep, not from stocks or real estate, but with smart AI tools doing most of the work. In this video, I'll show you how I'm building 5 income streams using AI tools that automate, simplify, and accelerate the process. Even if you work full-time, even if you're not a tech person, you can start today with no big budget or advanced skills. Why income streams matter? Relying on one paycheck is risky. Jobs come and go. Inflation eats into savings, and emergencies don't wait. Multiple income streams give you freedom, security, and options. And now, with AI, we can build them faster than ever before. Income stream number 1, freelancing with ChatGPT. Let's start with the easiest. Freelance services powered by AI. I offer things like blog posts, product descriptions, Instagram captions, and ad copy. But I don't write it all manually. ChatGPT gives me a strong first draft instantly. Then I polish it with tools like Grammarly and Hemingway. Sometimes I add a human voice with Quillbot or my own touch. You can list services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn and promote with custom AI-generated portfolios. Income stream number 2, YouTube automation using AI. Next, I run a YouTube channel, just like this one, without showing my face. Here's how I do it. ChatGPT writes the script. Pictory AI turns it into a video. 11labs adds voiceovers. And Canva designs the thumbnails. You can create content in niches like finance, motivation, productivity, or tech. With the right keywords and consistency, videos start earning through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Income stream number 3, digital products with AI. I also sell digital products that I created once, but sell on repeat. These include things like Notion templates, budget planners, AI cheat sheets, mini ebooks. ChatGPT helps me outline and write them. I use Canva to design, and I sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. The best part? There's no shipping, no stock, and no stress. Income stream number 4, print on demand with AI art. Next up, print on demand using AI-generated art. With tools like Midjourney or Ideogram, I create unique t-shirt designs, quotes, or digital art. Then I upload to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. They handle everything: printing, packing, shipping. You just upload the designs and collect the profit. You don't need to be a designer. Just give the right AI prompt, and your product is ready. Income stream number 5, affiliate marketing with AI-generated content. My 5th stream is affiliate marketing, and AI makes it effortless. Here's how. I use ChatGPT to write helpful content like blog posts, tool reviews, and X threads. Then I add links to tools I personally use like Pictory, Notion, or Descript. When someone clicks and buys, I earn a commission. You can start by joining programs on Gumroad, PartnerStack, Amazon, or directly from your favorite tools. Pro tip: be authentic. Only promote what you believe in. Our AI-powered weekly routine. So how do I manage all this with a 9 to 6 job? I don't hustle non-stop. I just use smart workflows powered by AI. Here's my simple weekly setup. Monday, ChatGPT helps plan and script content. Tuesday, I create videos or templates. Wednesday, I publish and schedule. Thursday and Friday, freelance work or product updates. I keep track of everything using Notion with AI suggestions and auto reminders. AI isn't just a trend. It's a tool that multiplies your time and talent. Start with one income stream. Use AI to build momentum and add more as you go. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for the official AI Hustle Club. Smash that like button. Ring the bell. We are just getting started. Drop a comment and let us know which AI income stream are you going to try first.